Hey guys, welcome to my channel Football Guide and Analysis. Today we will discuss about UEFA Champions League group stage draw which just took place yesterday. The Champions League is back and back with a bang. After the draw for 2021 group stage concluded on yesterday in Geneva. So the top point is a head-to-head between Cristiano Ronaldo and Lionel Messi as Juventus and Barcelona were paired opposite in Group G. The reigning champions Bayern Munich have been placed in Group A against Atletico Madrid, FC Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow. And Group H promises to be most unpredictable with last season's runners-up PSG paired opposite Manchester United, RB Leipzig and Istanbul Başakşehir. So let's have a look at Group A. Bayern Munich, Atletico Madrid, RB Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow. These four teams are there in Group A. The Bundesliga and Champions League winners Bayern will be the strong favorites to make it to the knockout stage from this group, with Atletico Madrid and Salzburg likely to be battling out for the second spot from this group. Salzburg have lost Erling Haaland and Minamino Takumi since almost advancing beyond last season's group stage, but the Austrian champions have proven to be the masters of recruitment and rebuilding, and Atletico Madrid should not underestimate the threat that Salzburg has. And Lokomotiv Moscow should be the fourth team from this group. So in my opinion, Bayern Munich and Atletico Madrid will go from this group. So Bayern will be the group topper and Atletico Madrid will be the second team from this group to qualify. And RB Salzburg will be the third team and they will go to play Europa League. So the match between Bayern and Atletico Madrid will be the must-see match of this group. Now coming to Group B. Group B has Real Madrid, Shakhtar Donetsk, Inter Milan and Borussia Mönchengladbach. On paper, Real Madrid appear to be the favorites to qualify from this group, but it is an evenly balanced group with each team capable of beating each other. In my point of view, Inter are an emerging force under Antonio Conte and they should top the group ahead of Zinedine Zidane's Real Madrid. And so Inter Milan would be the group topper and Real would be the second team from this group to qualify. And the third team will be Borussia Mönchengladbach and they will go on to play Europa League. So undoubtedly Inter Milan versus Real Madrid will be the must-see match from Group B. Now coming to Group C. Group C has FC Porto, Manchester City, Olympiacos and Marseille from France. And so Manchester City got a easy group and they will be easily be the group topper. And in my point of view, FC Porto will be the second team from this group to qualify and Marseille will be the third team and they will play Europa League. So the must-see match of Group C will be FC Porto versus Marseille because whoever wins they will be the second team from this group to qualify for the knockout stage. Now let's have a look at Group D. Group D has Liverpool, Ajax, Atalanta and Midtjylland. So Liverpool should make comfortable progress from this group. Ajax and Atalanta, the surprise package of last two Champions League campaigns, could make life difficult for Liverpool's team at home. But I think Liverpool will be the top team from this group and Atalanta will qualify as the second team from this group. Liverpool and Atalanta, they both plays attacking football and Liverpool versus Atalanta match will be a treat to watch. So this is the must-see match from this group. Now let's have a look at Group E. Group E has Sevilla, Chelsea, Krasnodar and Rennes. Europa League winners Sevilla and Chelsea will expect to battle it out for the top two positions in this group. And I think, in my opinion, Sevilla and Chelsea will be the top two team from this group to qualify, and Sevilla versus Chelsea match will be the must see match from this group. We can see Zenit St. Petersburg, Borussia Dortmund, Lazio, and Club Brugge in Group F. Borussia Dortmund will be the favorites to top this group, especially if Manchester United target Jadon Sancho remains in Dortmund. His partnership with Haaland will be the treat to watch for. And I think Borussia Dortmund will be the top team from this group, and Lazio will qualify as the second team from this group. And Borussia Dortmund versus Lazio will be a must see match from this group. So now coming to Group G. Group G has Juventus, Barcelona, Dynamo Kiev, and Ferencvaros. All eyes will be on the two match that see Ronaldo and Messi to face off, because this really is a group of two heavyweight and two minnows. So the two minnows are like Dynamo Kiev and Ferencvaros. Both Kiev and Hungarian champion Ferencvaros have proud histories in European competitions, but I can't see any chance of them from this group. So in my point of view, Juventus will be the top team from this group and Barca will be the second team from this group to qualify. So coming to Group H, we can see PSG, Manchester United, RB Leipzig, and Istanbul Başakşehir. Here, PSG, Manchester United, and RB Leipzig, these three teams will battle it out for the top two spot to qualify. And I think PSG will be the group topper, and RB Leipzig will be the second team from this group to qualify for knockout stage. And Manchester United will be the third team, and they will eventually play Europa League. Considering current scenario, I think RB Leipzig versus PSG will be the must-watch match from Group H. So these are the discussion and review after UEFA Champions League group stage draw. I hope you have liked this video, and if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell button to receive notifications.